Look like a retard. Exactly. Just like that. Come back just like that.
Fuck, I don't even know where my feet's supposed to be.
Oh my god. Chris, do it's all in the hips. Come on.
I'm supposed to just touch the ground, right?
No, watch. Look. Hand your ball like this. Watch my arms. Ready?
You're bent way over.
Your arms, this arm straight. So you're not coming through going like this. You're coming through straight. That's what keeps the ball straight.
Here.
Oh my god.
Am I swinging hard or soft or what?
Hard.
Apples.
Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of
I'm ready
candy.
for an apple. Alright, I'm going to one practice swing and then I'm going live. Fuck!
Oh my god.